Hello everyone, I'm Lonnie and I'm back to share some delicious food with you. Today we're making Guangzhou Wenchang Chicken. Without further ado, let's get started. First, we're giving 150 grams of choy sum a little makeover, trimming off any tired leaves to make it look fresh and fancy. Then slice up 50 grams of ham, nice and thin. These are gonna be our beauty queens in this dish. Now bring a pot of water to a boil and give our half chicken what I like to call a spa treatment. Just slide it in, cover the pot, and let it relax for 20 minutes. It's like a beauty sleep that makes the meat perfectly tender. For our chicken liver friends, we're giving them the same VIP treatment. Half a pot of salted water, 20 minutes of gentle poaching, then slice them diagonally. They're getting ready for their star appearance. We're creating this absolutely stunning arrangement. Chicken pieces in the center, with liver and ham slices layered between them like beautiful fish scales. Top it off with some chicken wings. It's looking like a work of art. Our choy sum joins the party after a quick one, nice 2-minute blanch, elegantly arranged on both sides of our chicken. They're like the perfect frame for our masterpiece. Heat up 15 milliliters of oil, add 10 milliliters of shark sing wine, pour in 300 milliliters of rich chicken broth and salt, bring it to a boil, thicken it with some cornstarch slurry, and finish with a few drops of sesame oil. This sauce is gonna take everything to the next level. And there you have it. Pour that silky sauce over our beautiful arrangement, and voila! You've just created a stunning Wenchang chicken. Friends, you must try our Guangzhou Wenchang chicken. If you like this video, don't forget to let me know. If you find it helpful, please like and share. Thank you all for watching. Until next time.